Chinese Mahjong, Cantonese style, how to set up. The tiles are divided into 3 groups. The first group is called suits, which includes circles, also called dots, bamboos, also called bams, and characters, also called craks. There are 4 copies of each tile in this group. The second group is called honors, which includes winds and dragons. The dragons are the white, green, and red tiles, which are often used in scoring combinations. There are 4 copies of each tile in this group. The third group is flowers and seasons. Season tiles usually feature a matching motif, while flowers depict 4 distinct plants. There is 1 copy of each tile in this group. If players agree, or if you're learning the game for the first time, you may remove the flower and season tiles. The seating arrangement is categorized in the following compass directions based on the Chinese style: east, south, west, north. To determine the seating arrangement, take 1 wind tile of each direction, mix them up, and each player takes one to determine where they sit. Give the wind indicator to the players sitting in east. They will be the first dealer. Place all the tiles face down on the table and mix them up. If your game has blank tiles, set them aside as they are extras and will not be used. Players take the mixed up tiles and stack them into a wall 2 tiles high and 18 tiles long, forming a square. Players may use a rack if they desire. The dealer rolls 2 dice, and beginning with themselves and counting the players in a counterclockwise direction, they count off the total. Wherever they end up is the side where the wall will be broken. The player on that side then rolls both dice and adds the value to the dealer's roll. Then, the dealer counts off the number of tiles on that wall from right to left to determine where to break the wall, taking the next 2 columns into their hand. The tiles to the right of the break are called the dead wall, while all the other tiles are called the live wall. Continuing counterclockwise from the dealer, each player takes sets of 4 tiles from the live wall, starting from the break until all players have 12 tiles. The dealer then takes 2 additional tiles, giving them 14, while everyone else only takes 1, giving each of them 13. The dealer can choose to either take the first 2 tiles or to only take 1 and let everyone else take 1 before taking their second. For the rest of the gameplay rules, check out this video. You can find the exact Chinese Mahjong set I'm using in this video at the link in the description, along with other options from Yellow Mountain Imports. Be sure to use my promo code SSSCMJ5 for 5% off.